Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, it's so nice to have you here. My name is Sayantani. Please subscribe to my channel before your way out so that you won't miss any of my uploads. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I decorated our guest bedroom and bathroom on a budget and in a very simple yet practical way. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. First of all, thank you Bishaka and Momita for requesting and encouraging me to make these kind of videos. I will upload more like these very soon, so stay tuned. This is the entrance of our guest bedroom. By the way, the left one is a half bath. And this bed is a queen size bed, perfect for 2 people. There are more beds upstairs for more people. The room was decorated for summer, so the whole decoration is kind of summery and cool, but you got the point. The fall decor is already up and I have changed the color here and there. I always love to treat our guests with some silver or gold item. I will give you the link below where I have shown you how I clean my silver and gold items. Let's talk about this beautiful window seat. I just placed a fur rug instead of a cushion. This tray is another DIY, and again the link is in the description box and also on the screens, so you can find anywhere. I had a photo frame at home and I just wrote this for a little something. I also hanged a photo frame up there. It is a gift from my Egyptian friend and it goes really well with everything else. I'm using this office desk as a dresser. This mirror is decorated with pearls and crystals and it was under $15 from Ross. Always choose the items that matches with the surroundings. This room freshener is one of my favorites and they come with quite a few bags. This is from TJ Maxx, by the way. I used this transparent letter holder as electronic device holder and it works pretty well. The drawers are pretty good storage options, as you can see. I'm not going to show you the bedside table drawers because my parents kept some of their personal belongings there. A bright and big table lamp is always nice for the corner, and the mirror will always brighten up the room. Those mirrors were from Ross, by the way. And this is Dad's side and he loves to read, so there are quite a few books. Let's check out the guest bath. I didn't do anything fancy for it yet. Again, the color theme is important as always. Try not to use 50 different colors in one place. That does not look good. Most of the items are from TJ Maxx and also a DIY candle holder. I hid this room freshener pack behind the tissue box. Always try to use some tray to declutter the sink area. I might have to decorate more in near future, but for now, this is functional and that's all matters. I'm not showing under the sink and the mirror cabinet yet. Maybe I have to make another video for that. The shower is pretty big and we'll talk about it later. This picture is from Mount Rainier and I just framed it. And those towels were from IKEA. So this is it for today. I hope you will take some tips and tricks from this video and you enjoyed walking through our guest bedroom. If so, then please give it a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want more videos like this or you have any question. I will love to see your comment. Watch my previous videos about living room decor and kitchen pantry organization. I will give you the link below. I love you guys so much. I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay well. Bye.